I'll be giving you guys videos that you're going to need in order to complete the packet that I left for you guys this week. You should have received the packet, and at the top it says multiplying polynomials using algebra tiles. Please write your name, today's date, and the period number. You're going to need this packet for the entire week, so please do not lose it. I did not make any extra copies, so if you lose it, you're going to have to figure out how to get another copy. Alright, so I will give you guys a minute to take out your notebook so that we can take some notes to review multiplying polynomials, just in case you forgot over the Thanksgiving break. Hope everyone enjoyed their break, and welcome back. Alright, so let's go to our notebook. We are doing multiplying polynomials. Feel free to stop the video at any time if I'm moving too fast. Please be quiet. Please be respectful. Please be prepared for today's lesson. So we're going to start with our warm-up. So we're going to start with distributive factor. So as you guys know, from when we were doing combining like terms, that we distributed whatever was in front to the terms that are in the parentheses. So last week we started to learn the box method. Whatever's on the left goes on the left. Whatever's on the right goes at the top. And then you make your box. So it's always side times the top, side times the top. So this will be 3x times x, which is 3x squared. 3x times 2 is a positive 6x. Bring over what you have written inside of the boxes. That's your final answer. Let's try another one. So this time we're going to include negative numbers. Alright, so just in case you forgot about multiplying negative numbers, you can always create your tic-tac-toe chart. A negative times a negative is a positive. Negative times a positive is a negative. Positive times a negative is a negative. Whatever's on the left, we're going to write on the left. Whatever's at the top, we're going to write at the top. Make your box. So we have side times the top, so negative 2x times x is negative 2x squared. So remember, if there is no exponent on your variable, it's the same as having a 1. So you multiply the coefficients, add the exponents. Negative 2x times negative 3 is positive 6x. Whatever you wrote inside your boxes, bring them over. That's your answer. Alright, so let's do another example. Alright, so you try. Okay, so you're gonna pause the video. You're gonna try this problem. Make sure you guys are not cheating. Pause that video. Alright, so whatever's on the left, we're gonna put on the left. Whatever's on the right, we're gonna put at the top. Dry box. So then you have side times the top. So that's 3x squared. Side times the top. Positive 6x. Whatever is in your box, you're going to bring it over. That's your final answer. Alright, so let's keep going with our review. So you may see something that looks like this. X plus 6 squared. Alright, so for this is the same as having x plus 6 times x plus 6. Whatever's in the left parentheses, you put on the left. Whatever's in the right parentheses, you put up top. Side times the top. Side times the top. Side times the top. And side times the top. Then bring it over. X squared plus 6x plus 6x plus 36. When you line them up, make sure your terms are always on top of each other. 6x can only be combined with 6x. So we bring out x squared because we cannot combine it with anything else. 6 plus 6 is 12x. And then finally, 36. That's your final answer. All right, let's try 2 more. X plus 8 times x minus 8. All right, still here. Whatever's on the left goes on your left. Whatever's on your right goes at the top. X times x is x squared. X times negative 8 is negative 8x. 8 times x is a positive 8x. 8 times negative 8 is negative 64. All right, now let's line it up. This cannot be combined with anything else, so let's bring it down. Negative 8 plus 8 is 0. And then you bring down negative 64. That'll be your final answer. All right, let's do one more. X minus 4 squared. So this is the same thing as x minus 4 times x minus 4. So it will be side. So x minus 4, and then at the top, x minus 4. All right, then draw your box. So it'll be side times the top, which would be x squared. Side times the top, which is negative 4x. Side times the top, negative 4x. And finally, negative 4 times negative 4, which is positive 16. All right, so now let's bring it over. And line it up. X squared cannot be combined with anything else, so let's bring it down. Negative 4 minus 4 is negative 8x. And then we add on positive 16. All right, so in your packet, which remember your packet looks like this. Multiplying polynomials using the algebra tiles. All right, you'll be doing this entire first page using the box method. You will do the second page. And 1 through 8 on the third page. You should be able to complete those. So you're going to complete the first 2 pages front and back, and then 1 through 8 on the third page. All right, so remember, if you have any questions, you can always email me directly from your portal at lartoya.gordon@palmbeachschools.org. All right, I hope you guys have a great week, and I will talk to you soon. Later.